Hey guys! Today we'll be doing this makeup look with some products from Forencos. It's actually my first time to try out their brand, so I'm super excited. First off, I'm just applying my favorite base after skincare. For my brows, let me do it off cam. And voila! Now it's time for the eyes, and I'm using the Forencos Bare Shadow Palette in Mute. Taking the first shade, we're just gonna put it all over the lids. One thing I love about this palette is it's very easy to use. Now with the second shade, we're just gonna deepen the outer corners. And with the darkest shade, we're gonna create a soft wing. Remember to just build up the pigment until you reach the pigmentation you want. Now with the last shade, we're just gonna softly smoke out the lower lash line. And we're done with the eyes! For my cheeks, I'm using my favorite from Detail Cosmetics. It's the Velvet Flush in Cotton. I find that this product gives me a very subtle and natural flush and glow. Just remember to blend it out because it's super pigmented. Of course, we can't forget to highlight our cheeks. For this one, I'm using the Moon Beauty Liquid Highlighter in Celestial. First lip product we're gonna try is the Mattoo Tint Matte in the shade Homage. This one, it's super pigmented, so a little really does go a long way. You don't need much. And one thing I love about this is even though it has a matte finish and it's super pigmented, it does not dry my lips at all. In fact, I think it enhances it. So that's very good. Next lip product we're gonna try is the Lip Tattoo Clair Velvet Tint in the shade Zinnia. This one, I love it so much because it's the perfect my lips but better shade on me. And this has a very lightweight feel to it. It's very comfortable on the lips. By the way, these products are transfer proof. Yay! And lastly, we have the shade Breath in their Lip Tattoo Clair Velvet Tint formula also. This shade has a little bit more peach and brown to it as compared to Zinnia, but it's also very natural on the lips. It looks so good. And there, that's my super easy makeup tutorial and a quick review of some products from Forencos. I hope you enjoyed this video and I'll see you next time. Bye!